Hi, this is Brandon with Devil's Head Choppers, and today we're going to install a vertical license plate mount with a Model A taillight on it on this Sportster. This is everything that comes in the kit. Okay, so we're going to start off by assembling the entire bracket. Take a nut, put a little thread locker in it. These are chrome, so they will absolutely shake loose if you don't use thread locker. It is not optional. Here's the fully assembled license plate bracket. You got a lock washer, a regular washer, and then on the other side just a regular washer. And again, note that this is turned around the right way. Now let's go over and put it on the bike. First thing to do is get the motorcycle up on a flat jack or something similar. If you're really in a pinch, you could use a low car jack. And the idea is to lift this tire just enough so that all of the weight is off of the shock, because we're going to be pulling this shock bolt and putting our license plate right here for this mount. Next step for this install is to break loose using your 3/4 inch and your T50 this shock. We remove the wheel to make it easier to see. That is not 100% required. Then remove shock bolt, plate, right through the shock, and then torque it down. And that pretty much wraps up our install. Just put everything back and torque it down to factory specs. Put your seat back on, make sure everything's working. Take it for a test ride. Do this shit like 5 or 6 times. Alright. Hi, this is Brandon with Devil's Head Choppers, and we're going to install a tail light. No, keep it going. Keep it going.
Okay. Yeah, they can cut it out.
Yeah, okay.